Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing the one shoe style I would suggest you buy before anything else. So let's talk about dress shoes or casual shoes or dress casual shoes. What's the best look? What's the most modern look? What goes with the most outfits? What doesn't look out of place? The one shoe that I come back to for all of that is the modern day monk strap. Now I have a pair of Magnannis here, Magnannis as some people pronounce them, that I've owned for, oh God, 5, 6, 7 years. And I absolutely love these shoes for an everyday shoe. And I'll get into some of the other ones I have. But some of the things I really like about these is they're modern, yet contemporary, yet classic. You can get them in a variety of colors, double monk, single monk, cap toe, non-cap toe, leather, suede, and all sorts of things. I truly believe this is the one shoe, if I'm starting out tomorrow, I would suggest buying because it's such a versatile shoe. You can wear these with a pair of chinos and a golf shirt. You can wear these with a suit. You can wear these with sport coats. You can wear these with denim. You can do so many things with monk straps. They're almost, to me, the modern day loafer. The fit is fantastic. The quality, depending on the brand, is fantastic. And they literally just go with everything. So let me get into some of the samples I have, and I'll show you what I like and what I don't like about them. First pair is a Magnanni pair. I don't know the style numbers anymore. These are old, but more of a cognac color and a suede. And people I know are going to say, how do you suggest wearing suede shoes? I will say this. I travel for work. The majority of my shoes are suede, and I love it, and I don't see that changing. A couple of reasons why. One is I can waterproof these to death. Okay, I spray them. I'll link with Sapphire and a couple other brands that have incredible waterproof technology. The other thing is, let's say you wear these, and I just cleaned these the other day. All you have to do is take a brush like this and literally brush them. Obviously no polish. And they look fantastic. They look as good as new. So I absolutely love these. The other thing I do for all my shoes is I go to a cobbler and get some nice gum on that one. Get some nice toppies or sole protectors, whatever you want to call it, as well as heel protectors. And you can see I really wear these out. What I would say with Magnanni, you're going to see all of these, are I have to go down a full US size. So I'm a 9 probably on the Brannick device, and I go down to an 8. Again, I have a narrower foot, but that's the size that works great for me. So this is a beautiful pair of like a tan cognac color suede. I also have them in a brown suede. Again, absolutely love this brand, love the quality. I'm going to show you a pair of shoes next that I've had for 15 years. Maybe it's 13 years now. Incredible quality. Again, same type of thing. Sole protectors, heel protectors. All you have to do is go how often you wear them. Once a year, once every other year, and get new of these put on. Your shoes will literally last you forever. So that's another pair. This next pair I have had literally for, I think this is the 13th year. Now, obviously this is a leather pair, they're not all suede. But again, same type of thing, have a Vibram sole protector. The shoes are gorgeous. And price points for Magnannis, and certainly on the secondary market, you can get these for dirt cheap. $79, $89. I think retail is in the $300 range. But everybody, Nordstrom has promotions. Most everybody has a promotion on these. But by far, if I had to buy one pair of shoes for the rest of my life, it would be monk straps and certainly probably Magnanni. I absolutely love these shoes. And I'll show you one other style that's more for this type of year, for spring and summer. Again, another pair of Magnannis. This is a lighter, kind of a taupey tan, has their actually comfort extra light sole built in. Incredible quality with these guys. If you ever get a chance to try them on, pick them up. Just a great shoe. I'll show some samples of what monk straps go with so you can get an idea. But I really think if I had to own one pair or one style of shoe, this would be it. I absolutely love these guys. I love this brand. I love their styling. I love, more than anything else, their value and their quality is second to none. Yes, can I buy, I have a pair of Edward Greens and spend a lot more for, or Santoni's, or a ton of brands? Yes, I think for the price point, these guys are about as good as it gets. Again, just want to kind of go over this. Someone had asked me recently, like, what's the one shoe you'd suggest? And to me, it's the Double Monks. So just to kind of show you, Double Monk cap toe in these, Double Monk no cap toe in those guys, Double Monk cap toe in those, and again, the tan ones, Double Monk cap toe. Great shoes. I think if you use shoe trees, you get your sole protectors done, the heel cleats done, you clean them, you polish them, you spray them. These have a great patina to them. And you can see they stain a little bit. You can see the dots probably from rain or something that hit their food or something one day. But just great, great quality. And again, a lot of places out there have these as great promotions. 6 p.m., which is a Amazon brand, which I don't want to promote. They used to keep Magnanni's on a super deep discount. Nordstrom's Rack's another one. Saks Off Fifth is another one that you can get some incredible deals on these. And again, I'll put some different stylings up of how I wear them. But again, I own, I think, 6 or 7 pairs of monk straps. I own 2 other pairs of shoes. I don't own 50 pairs of shoes. And I have just gone to this. This shoe does you no wrong. You can dress them up, dress them down. Like I said, they look great forever. Again, guys, I appreciate the feedback. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you hate these shoes, they look like witch shoes or what have you, they're too pointy, not pointy enough, certainly feel free to leave the comments in the comment section. I love the feedback. I love communicating back and forth with you guys. But if you like this kind of stuff, certainly like the channel, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.